We are gonna try some crazy. So I thought of eating. Lisa,
Hi, Shubhangi.
you're the best, and also Madhvi. Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we are gonna try some crazy food. It's not Indian, it's not Lebanese, it's not Middle Eastern. I have tried Middle Eastern in my previous vlog. If you want to watch it, click on this I button. That was also good. But today I'm gonna try Japanese food. This is gonna be a crazy vlog. So we'll go to a Japanese restaurant. I don't know if you have heard about the name or not. It's Anjisen Ramen, and we'll try to order something which is most popular there so that I can give my opinion and you can also watch this vlog and try it out. Let's go. My friends are also coming. If they are comfortable with the camera, I'll show you who else is coming in. Otherwise, it's gonna be a food vlog and entertainment. Fun is always included. Shubham Ghalyan is in. After clocking out from my work, I'm clocking into vlogging. Guys, just a small side quest. This is McCabe's. It's one of my favorite place. It's an Irish pub, and next time, maybe on weekend, I'll vlog about this as well. And other than that, the next vlog would be about this. So this is Waterloo Public Square. If you have heard about it, Anjisen Ramen is somewhere there to that side. So guys, my friends are as usual late. So I thought of eating an ice cream. So I'm just satisfying my sweet tooth, like eating the best thing I can get before trying out something else. So I hope it turns out to be good, but still, just to not regret, I'm eating this first and then we'll head out to Japanese food. So guys, it's a gelato place. I don't know if you guys know it or not, but I'm a big coffee lover. My sweet tooth is satisfied right now. You should also try it. This is the place, which is Old Fire Hall. You can come here and try it. This is something. So guys, finally we are at Japanese restaurant and Lisa is gonna explain something. So Lisa and Madhvi, right? They are coming to my vlog for the first time. So their first appearance, they came straight from their work. Don't judge them, okay? Drum rolls. Lisa.
Hi, Shubhangi vlog.
Madhvi. By the way, you girls are looking great, I must say.
Well, that's because
That too after like 7 hours of work, you
8
girls are
hours.
looking great. 8 hours of
8
work.
hours.
Oh my. Still you guys are smiling. Wow. Okay, Lisa is gonna explain sake.
Okay, so sake is a Japanese drink. It's alcoholic. It's kind of made of rice, fermented rice.
Okay.
So I think it's something that we should try.
Okay, so it's like healthy for...
I don't think it's healthy. Alcohol is
No,
not healthy.
just say it's healthy so that I can show in my vlog. Okay.
We have to have our assistant.
So guys, the sake is here. Looks good.
Yeah.
Okay, Madhvi is telling a way to open this thing. ये है क्या है वैसे?
So this is a ramyun. So it's a Japanese drink.
Okay.
So this is the cap that you get. You have
Okay.
to press it. And you have to just press it so that it goes down.
Okay.
Press this thing in.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Goli soda ही है.
हाँ यार ये तो सो भैया अपना
It's very, very good.
बंटा बंटा.
It's Vanta, exactly. It is Vanta, but a better version.
So guys, this is for Lisa and me. Sake.
For बड़े
We'll
लोग.
try it. अरे बड़े लोग क्या है यार? We want to get into this culture. We want to know it more. So the best way to know it is how good their liquor is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true.
Trust me, yeah.
किसी कल्चर के बारे में जानने के लिए उनका लिकर जाना।
सो कभी इंडियन कल्चर के बारे में जानना है, देसी पिलाओ। क्रेजी कल्चर पता चलेगा गाइस तुम्हें। गाइस लीजा इज वन ऑफ द गर्ल्स, आई विल से एनीथिंग एंड शी विल लाफ। सो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग, शी वॉज अबाउट टू ऑर्डर समथिंग, शी वॉज कन्फ्यूज कि क्या ऑर्डर करूँ मैं। तो मैंने इसको कहा कि भाई जैपनीज़ आए हैं, मालाबार डोसा ऑर्डर कर लो। भाई देखो हंसने लग जाती है भाई, बस वही जोक मैंने तीसरी बार मारा है, अब तीसरी बार भी हंसने लग जाती है भाई। शी इज़ अ गुड स्पोर्ट। थैंक्स लीजा, यू आर द बेस्ट। एंड ऑल्सो माधवी, यू आर द बेस्ट। गाइज दिस इज अस बिफोर साके। Moshi moshi. Fermented rice, which is really healthy for us. क्योंकि मेरे मामा भी ब्लॉग देखते हैं यार, तो उनको समझाना पड़ता है what is this. तो yeah, it's really good भाई. This is famous Japanese drink, traditional drink. So I wanted to try this. This is not sharab. This is not a liquor. This is just fermented rice. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. This is kimchi. Guys, it smells like gas is leaking from inside.
Okay.
But yeah, it's really good. I'll try that.
And then you just have to twist these two.
Tutorial 101.
Yeah,
How
you
to
have
use
hold
chopsticks.
this very still. Okay. You have to just hold this very still. Okay. And this would be more.
Try it once.
Need practice.
Do you know how to do it?
Yeah. Dated a Japanese girl. She told me.
Guys,
Guys, the food is here. So girls, how was it? Like coming into my vlog and meeting me after so long.
This is like the third or fourth vlog I'm coming.
Lisa is a older candidate in my vlog, but Madhvi
I'm a freshie.
first time आई है. She is a freshie. Yeah. Sure, yeah. You'll get the video. If you want 4K, it will be $100. If you want 360p, it will be again $100 because I will be in that video. So guys, how was Anjisen Ramen?
it was really nice.
Yeah.
I think it's better than Kinton.
Okay, and I have never tried. We enjoyed a lot. Sake was good. The food was good. Spicy kind of thing. I don't know आपको अच्छा लगा कि नहीं? Mala. Okay, it was good. And the vlog ends here unless we continue the night. Thank you, Madhvi. Unless we continue the night. Arigato.